Hey guys, this is my first Unity tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a pause panel. So here's the demonstration how the panel looks like. Here we go. This is my mobile game. It's going to launch soon on Google Play, and here you go. I've paused it, and I can resume it, pause it again, and I can even restart the level. That's just great. And in this video you're going to create this. So let's get started. Right. So first thing, you need to create a pause button. So I have my pause button right here, and then you need to create a pause panel. You go, this is the panel, and I've added three buttons: home button, resume button, and restart button. And that's all for the UI. And now you need some scripting. So this is my game manager, and I've added this pause panel scripting in it. I'm gonna edit the script and show you how exactly we need to do this. Firstly, using Unity engine.ui, because we're accessing buttons and scripts and all. And the second thing, using Unity engine.scene management. The reason being, we're creating that restart panel, so you need to load the scenes, and even for the main menu. And you're going to create a reference to add the panel, public in object pause panel. There you go. And now I'm going to create public methods, public void resume, firstly pause game, sorry. And in this, you're going to add, on clicking the pause button, this function will be invoked, and need to do pause panel dot set active. Also, you need to stop time. So time dot time scale equals 0f. By default, time is at 1f, so it's working properly in real time. 0f means time is stopped, 0.5, 0.2, whatever it means, the game is in slow motion. So we need to use 0f. And for resuming the game, you need to do the exact opposite. Here's how. Public void resume game, and pause panel dot set active false. Obviously, panel should be disabled, and the time should also be 1f. I mean, that means real time. And now public void restart game. You can just do it this way. Scene manager dot load scene, and just write whatever the scene's name is, but that's not a good way if you have many scene levels. So this is how you need to do. You'll get int, you're going to access the current scene. In current scene is equal to scene manager dot get active scene and build index. There you go. You have the current scene right here, and add this here. Also, public void main menu, and what you need to do is fairly simple. Scene manager dot load scene, and just type in the name, because you can't have many main menus. Whatever your name is while you are scripting it. And I'm going to save it and just get back to Unity. Please, no errors. Yes, I haven't got any errors. That's a great sign. And going back to my game manager, you get a reference called pause panel. So you need to drag and drop the pause panel right here. All right. And now disable the pause panel for a while. And use the pause button. You need to drag and drop the game manager here, and then go to pause panel scripting and add pause game. Wow, fairly simple. and then we're gonna activate the pause panel and select the home, resume and restart buttons, and just simply drag and drop the game manager and go to home and the main menu thing. Go to resume and the resume thing and go to restart, and then yeah, the restart function. Basically that's all you need to do, and then disable the panel, and yes, you're done. You have a pause panel ready. If you like this video, give it a like, and more Unity tutorials coming up. And if you like this game, it's gonna be soon on Google Play. So stay tuned.